Why do people call Bitcoin digital gold? Let's break it down. First, limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That scarcity makes it valuable, just like gold. Second, store of value. Unlike cash, which loses value over time due to inflation, Bitcoin is designed to hold its value or even grow as demand increases. Third, portability. Gold is heavy. Bitcoin can move across the world in minutes with just a phone and internet connection. Of course, there are differences. Gold has thousands of years of history, while Bitcoin is only 15 years old. Gold is physical. Bitcoin is digital. But here's the key takeaway. Many investors now see Bitcoin not as internet money, but as a hedge against inflation and a safe haven during uncertain times. Just like gold, Bitcoin isn't replacing gold. It's becoming its digital counterpart in the modern economy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.